Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok crookie, so let's get started with the video. Cut open a few croissants and place them on a baking sheet lined with tinfoil. I'm using the croissants from Costco, which are really big, so I decided to only use 4 croissants. Once you finish preparing the croissants, take some cookie dough and flatten and shape it into the size of the croissant. Then place the piece of cookie dough inside the croissant. Next, close the croissant and then place another piece of cookie dough on top of the croissant. Repeat this process with the rest of your croissants. Then place your croissants in the oven at 350 degrees for 18 minutes. Once the cookies have finished baking in the oven, place them on a wire rack to cool. And that's it, you're all done. And here's the finished result. If you like cookies and croissants, this recipe will be perfect for you. It's a really quick and easy treat. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!